The true meaning of the Age of Aquarius. Join me as I explore humanity's next chapter. The concept of the Age of Aquarius has intrigued mystics, astrologers, and cultural commentators for centuries. It promises a transformative period where humanity shifts from the emotional and hierarchical structures of the Age of Pisces to the intellectual, egalitarian, and innovative ethos of Aquarius. Yet, its true meaning remains a subject of debate and interpretation. Is it merely an astrological construct? Or does it hint at a deeper, universal truth about human evolution and consciousness? Let's explore this multifaceted topic in detail, digging into its historical roots, symbolic significance, and real-world implications. The Age of Aquarius is part of the broader astrological phenomenon known as the Great Year, a 26,000-year cycle caused by the precession of the equinoxes. This cycle divides human history into 12 astrological ages, each lasting approximately 2,160 years. Each age corresponds to one of the Zodiac signs, reflecting themes associated with that sign. The Age of Pisces, roughly 1 CE to 2000 CE, was marked by themes of faith, sacrifice, and spiritual devotion. This era aligns with the rise of major religions, such as Christianity and Islam, and hierarchical structures emphasizing submission and collective worship. The Age of Aquarius, starting between the 20th and 24th centuries, is characterized by intellect, innovation, equality, and individual empowerment. This era is expected to bring technological advancements, spiritual awakening, and a collective push toward harmony and progress. Astrologers debate the exact beginning of the Age of Aquarius, with some claiming it began in the 20th century, marked by technological revolutions and global interconnectedness, while others believe we are still transitioning. Regardless, the signs of an Aquarian influence are undeniable. Aquarius is symbolized by the water bearer, a figure pouring water from an urn. In astrological terms, this water represents the flow of wisdom, innovation, and enlightenment, qualities that define the Aquarian archetype. Governed by the planet Uranus, Aquarius is associated with rebellion and progress, as Uranus symbolizes upheaval and the breaking of outdated systems. Humanitarianism, with a focus on collective well-being over individual dominance. Intellect and vision, with an emphasis on science, technology, and abstract thinking. The Age of Aquarius, therefore, represents a collective shift toward these principles. It challenges humanity to embrace change, foster equality, and prioritize intellectual and spiritual growth. Many historical and cultural developments hint at the transition from Pisces to Aquarius. The counterculture movement of the 1960s, for instance, echoed themes of peace, love, and rebellion, which resonated strongly with Aquarian ideals. The famous song "Aquarius, Let the Sunshine In" from the musical Hair became an anthem for this transformative era, celebrating the dawning of a new age. The digital revolution is another clear sign. The invention of the internet and the rise of technology exemplify Aquarian traits of interconnectedness and innovation. Social media, blockchain, and artificial intelligence are reshaping communication, governance, and economics. Additionally, environmental movements are gaining momentum. The growing awareness of climate change and the rise of sustainability efforts align with Aquarius's humanitarian focus, pushing for collective responsibility for the planet. The Age of Aquarius is not just about external changes, it signifies a profound shift in human consciousness. Here's how it contrasts with the Piscean mindset, from blind faith to knowledge. The Age of Pisces emphasized devotion to higher powers and hierarchical religions. In Aquarius, the focus shifts to self-discovery, critical thinking, and direct spiritual experiences, from duality to unity. Pisces often represents emotional extremes and divisions. Aquarius promotes unity and interconnectedness, transcending borders and ideologies. From emotional reactivity to intellectual clarity, the Age of Pisces was dominated by emotional decisions and sacrificial narratives. Aquarius invites humanity to prioritize logic, fairness, and collective reasoning. While the Age of Aquarius brings opportunities for growth, it also presents significant challenges. Ethical dilemmas in technology are one such challenge. Innovations like artificial intelligence and genetic engineering raise questions about morality and human identity. Aquarian progress must balance innovation with ethical considerations to avoid dystopian outcomes. Social polarization is another issue. While Aquarius seeks unity, the transition often exacerbates divides as old systems resist change. Movements for equality face backlash, highlighting the tension between progress and tradition. And finally, the environmental crisis. As humanity strives for sustainability, the challenge lies in overcoming greed and apathy, a lingering Piscean trait. Are we living in the Age of Aquarius? Signs of Aquarian influence are evident, but many astrologers suggest we are still in a transitional phase. This dawning period is marked by the rise of decentralized systems like cryptocurrency, emphasizing autonomy and innovation. There's also a growing interest in holistic wellness, meditation, and alternative spiritual practices, and of course, global movements advocating for human rights, gender equality, and environmental stewardship. How to embrace the Age of Aquarius? Individuals can align with the transformative energy of this age by adopting these practices. First, embrace lifelong learning. Pursue knowledge across disciplines, from science to spirituality. Stay open to new ideas and question established norms. Second, cultivate community. Build connections across cultural and ideological boundaries. Engage in humanitarian efforts to uplift collective well-being. Explore inner consciousness. Practice mindfulness, meditation, and energy work to deepen self-awareness. Seek spiritual practices that resonate with interconnectedness. Advocate for ethical progress. Champion causes that align with fairness, innovation, and sustainability. Use technology responsibly, balancing its benefits with its potential risks. Conclusion. A new chapter for humanity. The Age of Aquarius invites us to step into a new paradigm defined by intellect, innovation, and unity. It challenges us to let go of outdated structures and beliefs, embracing a future where individuality and collective progress coexist harmoniously. While the journey may be fraught with challenges, the promise of transformation makes it worth pursuing. As we navigate this transition, the Age of Aquarius offers a profound question. Can we rise to its ideals of enlightenment and unity, or will we remain tethered to the past? The answer lies in our collective actions and consciousness, a fitting metaphor for an age that seeks to redefine what it means to be human.